Good afternoon. I'm making a simple pasta with 3 kinds of tomatoes. These tomato paste, which I'm cooking for about 20 minutes, and these Italian peel tomatoes, and then some fresh tomatoes from a friend's garden, as well as some of those small tomatoes you find at Costco. The tomato paste is cooked for about 20 minutes till it starts to change color. Going to deglaze it with some wine, and I add plenty of this sliced garlic as well as some roasted garlic here that I have. And then we're using butterfly pasta, organic farfalle, and plenty of Parmesan cheese, some garnish, parsley. Just added the pasta to the pot. No salt goes in here, just some oil to keep the pasta from sticking. There's plenty of sodium in the dish. Then I add some anchovies to the sauce. So the red wine, plenty of sliced garlic there. The anchovies are in. Roasted garlic's also in now. There's the peeled tomatoes now. I'll break that up a little bit. So fresh tomatoes are in there. Peeled tomatoes. Most of the sauce here. I'll be adding a lot of extra virgin olive oil to this. Adding extra virgin olive oil. Then we'll put the cover on and let this simmer until the pasta's ready. Cooking time for the pasta is about 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes. The box says 11 and more, but check it sooner than that. Some more extra virgin olive oil. Plenty of grated Parmesan. Nothing says you can't add a little Parmesan cheese to your portion, which I'm going to be doing in a second. Let me try this out. It's pretty nice. Fresh tomatoes. Enjoy. Yes. Definitely add some Parmesan to your portion. If you have some fresh basil growing outside, you could tear a little bit and add it to it. Okay, that's all I wrote.